In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a template in Affinity. Let's start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're in a document that matches the kind of project you want to repeat in the future. If you're building something like social posts, business cards, or presentation slides, be mindful of the document dimensions, orientation, and resolution right from the start so your template fits your typical output perfectly. Now, design your template. Think about the elements you'll use over and over again and set them up so they're easy to swap later. Use guides and snapping to build a consistent layout and organize everything in clearly named layers or groups. Create placeholder frames for images and text, and consider using text styles for headings, subheadings, and body copy so typography stays consistent every time you reuse it. If you have a brand palette today, save those colors and apply them to shapes and text. You can also store reusable icons or graphics in the Assets panel to make them instantly available in future projects. If you need multiple sizes or variations, set them up as separate artboards within the same document. As you work, keep things tidy, lock background elements you don't want to accidentally move, and use sensible naming conventions so anyone on your team can understand the structure at a glance. Once your design is in great shape, go to the top left corner and click File. From the menu, choose Export. In the export options, look for the choice that lets you save it as a template and select as template. This tells Affinity to package your document in a way that's meant to be reused so you won't overwrite your original layout when you start a new project from it. When prompted, enter a clear, descriptive file name. A good approach is to include the format and size like Social Post Square or A4 Flyer with bleed, so it's easy to find later. Choose a dedicated folder for templates to keep things organized, then click Save. That's it. Your design is now stored as a reusable template you can rely on whenever you need a consistent starting point. With these steps, you'll save time, keep your work consistent, and make future projects faster and more professional. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your library of Affinity templates.